How can I check if my SIM card has already expired?
Hello there. Welcome to another useful video tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing a common issue that many of us encounter but aren't always sure how to address: how to check if your SIM card has expired. We'll walk you through some simple steps to help you identify the status of your SIM card. Let's get started.
Understanding SIM card expiry.
The first thing to understand is what it means for a SIM card to expire. A SIM card usually expires when it has not been used for a certain period, typically 90 days to 12 months, depending on your network provider. This period of inactivity could be due to not making or receiving calls, not sending texts, or not using mobile data. The specifics may vary depending on your telecom provider's policies.
Symptoms of an expired SIM card.
If you suspect that your SIM card may have expired, some telltale signs can help you confirm this. You may notice that you can't make or receive calls or messages, or that you are not able to use data. Another sign could be an error message stating something along the lines of "SIM card registration failed" or "inactive SIM." These are strong indicators that your SIM card may have expired.
Contact your service provider.
The most accurate way to check if your SIM card has expired is to contact your mobile network provider directly. You can do this by calling their customer service line. Have your SIM card number ready. It's usually printed on the SIM card itself, as they may ask for this to confirm its status.
Online self-service portals.
Some telecom providers offer online self-service portals where you can check the status of your SIM card. If you have registered for such a service, simply log in and look for the option to check your SIM card status. Please note that the exact procedure can vary from one service provider to another. Checking whether your SIM card has expired is quite straightforward. It involves recognizing symptoms of an expired SIM and then confirming with your service provider. Remember, when in doubt, always reach out to your mobile network provider for the most accurate information. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more handy guides on everyday tech queries. See you in the next video.